Did you know you can download Office for free legally at home if your child's school have purchased Office 365? To do this, just open up a web browser of your choice on one of your machines at home and go to Office.com. It will bring you to this page, and if you click sign in, then sign in with your child's email address and password. You should come to this page, which is on the home button at the top there. If you don't, if it goes into your Outlook or your OneDrive or something like that, just click on the 9 little boxes and go to Office 365. Then from this page, all you do is click Install Office and Office 365 apps. It will give you some instructions, and you'll see very quickly there it downloaded a very small program. I can then from there either click on the little arrow and open, or I can go to my downloads folder and an Office setup program is there. It's a very small program. When you run it, it will install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, those sort of things onto your machine. It does another download which takes a bit longer, so you have to make sure you're still connected to the internet. Once that's done, you'll find Word, Excel, PowerPoint will be in your start menu. When you open one of them, it will ask you to log in, and just log in again with your child's email address and password. You can have it on up to 5 machines at home, perfectly legal, the license allows that, and it can also be on either Windows PCs or on Mac.